Key components of research methodology. 1. Research problem, the central issue or question that needs investigation. Example: what is the impact of fiscal policy on inflation in Pakistan? 2. Research objective, these define what the study aims to achieve. Example: to examine how government expenditure influences price stability. 3. Literature review, critical analysis of previous studies and theories related to your topic. Helps to identify research gaps and build a conceptual framework. 4. Research design, a blueprint for how the research will be conducted. Types: descriptive, describing facts and trends; analytical, evaluating relationships and testing hypotheses; exploratory, investigating new or unclear areas. Data collection methods: 2 broad types: primary data, secondary data. 6. Data analysis, quantitative methods, regression analysis, correlation, time series analysis, econometric modeling, e.g., IS-LM, Phillips curve, ARDL, VAR models. 7. Hypothesis formulation, a testable statement about the relationship between variables. Example: expansionary fiscal policy increases inflation in the short run. 8. Tools for analysis, software, SPSS, Stata, eViews, R, Excel. Models: IS-LM, ADAS, Solo growth model, Phillips curve, etc. 9. Interpretation and conclusion, explaining what the data reveals about the research question and relating it to theory and prior findings. 10. Limitations, every study should acknowledge its weaknesses, such as data availability, time constraints, sample size, external validity. 11. References, citations, all sources should be properly cited using APA, MLA, or Harvard style. External validity,